Bruh.
It's your girl, Cheryl Cherie. This is my 5-year-old daughter, McKenna. Say hello.
Hello.
Wave. And my son Gabriel's sitting over here. You want to wave for the camera real quick? Come over here so they can see you. He's just watching tonight, but he'll do my makeup another night. Stop being so shy. Say hello, you two.
Hello.
Alright, you ready to get started, McKenna?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're going to start with the eyeshadow.
Yeah, it's pink.
So she wants to do pink and purple. I'm going to let her choose whatever she wants. So she's going to choose a pink and a purple to go on my eyes.
I'm going to do the pink first.
You want to do the pink first? Okay.
And this goes with the pink.
Okay.
The orange
So
one
choose your
goes
pink
with-
out of the palette.
Is
it this one that you wanted?
Yeah, I wanted
Okay.
that.
No, you do it like this. And let's see, turn it over so you can see. Can you see a pink?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready to put it on my eyes up here?
Yeah. It's right there. I see the pink on
You
your
want to put some more? Because you got to go across my whole eye. You want more on there?
Yeah.
You can put a little bit more flat, okay? Not too hard. You'll mess up the makeup thing.
I did.
Okay. Tickles.
Yeah, it does.
Ow! You scraped my eye.
Sorry.
It's okay.
This fell off.
Here. You gotta be gentle. These are cheap little dollar store eyeshadow brushes. So you gotta be gentle when you go across my eye. It's okay. Just be gentle.
I'm gonna do the other one now.
Okay, so get some more on there gently. Okay.
Keeps going over there.
Get some more. That tickles every time you do it. Gently with the eyeshadow.
It's okay.
Can you see it, Gabe?
I can see it on camera.
Can you see it when you look at me? See the makeup?
I did the pink already. Now I'm gonna do the purple. The purple goes with the orange.
Okay, so which purple did you want?
I wanted the black ones.
The black? That's not black. You mean the darker purple? Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was like dark.
Okay, so which one do you want?
I said I wanted this one.
So you gotta kind of lay it flat, okay? Because you were like,
I'm gonna do it.
go like this, okay? You kind of lay your brush flat so you don't break the makeup thing. That's not flat. Is there pink, purple on it, I mean?
Yeah.
Can you see it? That tickles.
I'm gonna get some more.
You tickling me so much. Do you see the makeup on me?
I don't see purple that much, but I only see it on one line.
It's because you gotta get more makeup on when you go to the other eye. Gently. Okay. You're gonna put more on the other eye? Go get some more purple and then put it on the left eye, okay? There you go. Can you see the purple now?
I see it a little bit.
Stop trying to stab my eyes.
That did hurt.
Okay.
I like
Do you want to add any more or do you think it's good?
I wanna use the other ones other than these things.
You want to do a different color?
I'm gonna do this now.
You're going to do my blush now? So now she's going to do my blush. Alright. Alright, little missy. So go across there. Yep, just like that. Harder. A little bit harder. Let me see.
Is there any on there?
Yeah.
I see that pink.
See? There you
I
go.
have it now.
Yep. Just right across my cheeks. Do you see the pink going on my face?
I don't see it everywhere.
Do you see the pink, Gabe?
Yeah.
She says she doesn't see it, but Gabe sees it. Can you see my eyeshadow or no?
No.
No. She just did it that light. You want to help her make it darker? Do you want to help McKenna make the eyeshadow darker?
No.
No, why not?
I've never done this before.
She's not done it before either.
I'm gonna do it on the other one and see if it goes pink too. I think I see a little bit of pink.
You see a little bit? You're so good at doing makeup, McKenna. You're making mommy so pretty.
Oh, I see a little bit on the other one too.
Okay, so go back to this one.
You look like a princess, Mommy.
I do. Aw, she says I look like a princess.
And you know you do. There's one more on both of them.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. My little makeup artist. Are you going to do makeup for people when you get older?
Yeah, I'm going to do makeup for everyone, but only the girls, not the boys. Because the boys can only get the green stuff.
Oh, okay. Alright, are you done with the blush? You want to move on to lipstick?
Yeah.
Or do you want to try to do the pencil on my eye?
I want to do the pencil
No.
first.
With this, you have to be very gentle because you could hurt my eye, okay? You just do a little line right here where my eyelashes are. You just draw a little line right by my eyelashes, okay?
Aww.
Just be gentle, okay? Just don't be rough.
So you have to do it by the...
Right here at the eyelashes.
Yeah.
By the
So
purple.
do you actually do that why the pink one and the purple one is on your eye?
Just by the purple, yeah. Okay. But just like you're using a pencil or a crown, you just draw a line, okay?
But do you have to use
No,
something?
just that. Just that.
I don't see one.
You gotta do it a little bit harder, but not too hard. Whoa, where are you drawing at?
I see that line on the other
Do you see the line now?
I saw it right here.
Whoa, where are you going with the eyeliner? I said to draw it right here. What are you trying to give me black eyes?
No, I'm trying to give you kitty cat face.
A crazy cat face. Oh, ooh, you did a good job, McKenna.
I'm gonna just try to do it.
Okay.
Oh, I see the thing on the eye just now.
Are you done with it or are you still using it?
I know these don't fit.
Okay, you gonna do my lipstick now?
Lipstick, yeah. Do you have, oh, there it is. Do you have any more lipsticks?
I do, but I just grabbed one.
I see the lipstick.
But you gotta get it all the way around, okay?
Now can I do it on
I need
me?
a little bit more lipstick. My pretty princess, do you want to add anything else?
Yeah.
Here, let's put it back in here.
That was beautiful stuff.
Anything else for me, or am I done?
I do want to do more stuff for
Okay.
you.
You want to do more eyeshadow?
Well, I wanted to do something else more.
Like what?
I just wanted to do something else.
You want to add some black eyeshadow?
Oh, yeah.
Here, use a different brush.
Oh, so we're supposed to use...
Not too rough on there. Yep. For
Okay.
every new color you use, you gotta use a different brush.
Did you say black or not?
You can choose what color you want. I just asked if you wanted to use black. What color do you want to use?
I want to actually use the blue.
Okay. It's a very pretty blue.
I like using colors all the time. I see the blue.
You do?
Well, I'm using the dark blue this time.
Okay.
I'm using it on the other one. And I'm gonna use it on the other one this time. That's
Okay.
on this side.
Okay.
It looks like an X on me. I put it the doll X.
You drew, why'd you draw an X on me?
Well, it still looks like a kitty cat, probably.
Oh, okay. So was it this blue you were using?
I was using the dark and the
Yeah, this one and I think this one. These two. Go.
Now I'm doing this one on this side. Now I'm doing the dark one on the other one.
You done?
I'm gonna actually use the green and the last green.
Okay.
This one looks green too.
Okay. What color are you gonna use now?
I'm gonna use this one.
But what color in my thing are you gonna use?
I'm gonna use probably the green. I like green.
Alright.
And then when I get on this one, I'm gonna actually do the yellow on your eye.
Ooh, pretty. Okay.
I'm gonna do this one.
Oh, those are pretty. Yeah.
You look pretty, Mommy.
Thank you. And you got one more color.
There's one more, but do you still have more for me to do?
No, not for this. This is it for this time. Alright.
This is the last one.
This is the last one.
I said I'm gonna do this.
Oh, you're doing the brightest yellow in there. Okay. Very pretty.
I'm doing the yellow this time. It's brighter than ever.
Okay.
Oh, I see yellow.
You do.
It looks like you look like a cat.
I look like a cat?
I put the yellow like one doll on one doll.
Okay.
At the top and the top.
Alright, let's finish this
I'm
up.
gonna try to do the cat on the other face. Oh, you look like a cat still too. You look like a cat.
Are y'all done?
Yeah.
Good job. Let's go check it out. How do you think I look?
You look pretty.
Thank you.
Look in the mirror. Yeah, I probably am learning it now because I actually did it already. I like doing these stuff actually. I do like doing these stuff.
What do you got? Those the little eyeshadow sticks?
Yeah, I like doing these.
I see you. I know. Good job.
I like doing these. And I like doing these. There.
Alright, let's go check out my look in the mirror.
Yeah.
I want to see what I look like.
You have all the colors on you.
Bruh.
Oh, very, very pretty. Oh my goodness. Mommy is looking fantastic.
Can I do any more?
You did a good job.
Can I do any more?
Give me kisses. You did a good job.
But can I still do more on you?
That's it for tonight, baby.
Oh, I want to do more to make you the white skin. Mommy, I did want to do it, but maybe at morning I could do it. Maybe
Bruh.
maybe when it gets morning again.
Alright, well that's it for tonight, baby. Can you tell them good night? Wave good night and say bye.
Bye.
Good job.
One.